Dami nating mga katropa na umaten, na nagsaya, at nakita ka rin mag-perform.
Yes,
diba?
yes. Yan yung bagong edition natin
yung pala yung mga
year.
bagong happenings. At syempre, hindi na naman talaga natatapos doon dahil nga tonight, andito nga ang tropang Alfonso para naman magbigay ng saya dito sa South Luzon. So you've mentioned na kakabalik mo lang dito sa South Luzon. That only means, tuloy-tuloy din ang ating mga papremyo, ang ating mga happenings.
Ang ating mga games.
Diba? Ang ating mga games na dapat abangan ng lahat. So, kailangan natin ng mga bida-bida na ating mga katropa.
Yes. At syempre, marami din tayong i-reveal, yes?
That is so true. And please, might as well, diba, take this time to post your selfies, your groupies, together with your katropa and using the hashtag Alfonso Ali Year 2. Ganon. At syempre, dito nga sa Alfonso Ali, siguradong gets nga namin ang lahat ng trip ninyo. Kasama ang bida ng inuman ang Alfonso Brandy! Hey! So that night is still young?
It is. It's definitely still young. And we have many more surprises for all of you guys. Kaya naman, remember to enjoy the throw party responsibly. At para naman mas solid ang good time, samahan nyo kaming kilalanin ang Alfonso Brandy and syempre the brand's deep understanding and connection to our tropang Alfonso.
Uy, totoo yan, Alex, ha? Kasi napapaisip din ako kung ano ba talagang meron sa Alfonso Brandy, like yung ating mga katropa, binabalik-balikan.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? Just like us right now, nagbalik tayo.
Yes.
Uy, nagbalik tayo at yung whole
Nagbalik
this,
tayo
diba?
dito.
Nagbalik tayo. At bakit ba mas lumilevel up pa ang throw party natin every now and then? Lalong-lalo na pagkasama nga natin si Alfonso Brandy.
Yes, totoo yan, Sab. Sasagutin lahat yan ng ating tropa from Montosco Incorporated. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome Sales and Marketing Director, Miss Lauren Tangaco.
Yes, ready.
Hey!
Hi Alex, hi Sam, and of course, hello to our media influencer friends na andito tonight and the entire tropang Alfonso. We hope na mag-enjoy kayo dahil napakadami naming surprise ang inihanda ngayong gabi. Yan.
That is so true. So please, ano ba mga dapat nating pwedeng abangan? Because I would also like to ask, bakit ba natin, Miss Lauren, pinabalikan lagi ang Alfonso Brandy?
Alam nyo guys, hindi basta-basta ang kalidad ng bawat bote ng Alfonso Brandy, no? Dahil gawa ito sa biggest single bodega in Jerez, Spain. Ayan, let's flash it.
Wow,
Diyan ginagawa
grabe.
ang Alfonso Brandy.
Sana nakasama tayo dyan, no?
Watch ang
Alex?
might support door ng
Diba,
Lord
sa
of the Rings.
bodegas yan, so Williams and Humbert. Diyan ginagawa ang Alfonso Brandy. And in here, we ensure that every drop is of top quality. So we can give all of you a premium tasting experience. Yan talaga ang rason, no, Sab, kung bakit binabalik-balikan ng Alfonso Brandy. At bakit mas dumarami pa ang nakaka-discover ng sarap nito.
Yes, and you know, all of these things come together to really give it the perfect mix. But can you share with us the secret of Alfonso Brandy kung bakit nga ba gets nito ang lasang hinahanap-hanap?
Ay, gusto ko yung question na yan.
Pa-secret tayo.
Oh, may
Share natin
pa-secret
yan.
pala tayo, Miss
Please.
Lauren. So, care to share that
Share natin
secret
yan.
sa ating mga katropa?
Yes. Ang Alfonso Brandy kasi ay real premium brandy, no? Dahil gawa ito from the finest grapes of the Spanish region in La Mancha. Tapos ito ay aged in these 50 to 100-year-old American oak casks yan. Diyan in-age ang Alfonso Brandy. Kasi mabusisi talaga ang proseso ng paggawa ng Alfonso Brandy. Dahil gets nito ang lasa, ang timpla, ang sarap na hanap ng bawat tropa. Diba?
Okay, so parang na-real talk ata tayo ngayon.
Parang kailangan ko mag-shot ulit.
O parang kailangan na mag-shot kasi na-real talk tayo. But, Kitty, thank you so much for that information. Siyempre, ang dami pa rin itong variants as well. Di ba kanina pa natin nakikita, meron tayong mga different booths na kanina pa natin showcase dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. So, care to share? Ano ba yung mga ating variants ng Alfonso Brandy?
Yes, actually guys, Alfonso Brandy, first off, has been here for over 20 years, no? So 20 years mahigit na tayo nandito sa Pinas, and we do have 4 variants for you to choose from. We're actually featuring 3 of them here tonight. Marami tayong drinks dyan. So our best-selling variant is Alfonso Light Brandy. Meron tayong light booth dyan. Our classic variant is Alfonso Platinum Brandy with 28% alcohol. So sa mga naghahanap ng mas matapang, platinum ang para sa inyo. For zero sugar naman, we have Alfonso Zero Brandy. And syempre, for smooth yet strong, we have Alfonso Solera Brandy. At sa mga di pa nakakaalam guys, ang ating best-selling variant na Alfonso Light, meron tayong latest pack size, ang ating 500 ml bottle for only 140 pesos SRP. O diba? Swak sa bulsa ng tropa.
Yes, sulit. Tama ka dyan, Miss Lauren. And you know what? Thank you so much for sharing that with us. Kasi tumataas yung wisdom points natin habang nagsishot tayo.
That's so true.
Initiation yan dito. Kailangan malaman mo yung kwento ng Alfonso Brandy bago ka malasing. But drink responsibly.
Yes, that's so true. Drink responsibly.
Ayan, so talaga namang gets namin ang husay ng Alfonso when it comes to offering high quality and premium tasting brandy in the Philippine market. In fact, guys, ngayon hindi lang sa lasa, pati packaging pa. So earlier this year, we had some special edition bottles revealed na talaga namang inabangan at kinamanghaan ng throw party natin.
Correct. You were both with us no last April. We went to Pop-Up Katipunan sa Quezon City kung saan nilaunch natin ang ating Artist Series designs. Ayan.
Amazing.
For the
Ganda.
year. So it's the same liquid, it's the same taste that you love in a different and limited edition packaging. Ayan, sakto pang regalo. Ito yung ating shots from our QC event.
Saya.
And just last month, ayun nga, nabanggit natin, we did not have one but two Alfonso Ali runs, no? Pumunta tayo sa Visayas, sa Iloilo naman.
Yes.
Ayan, yun sa Iloilo natin. Yan yung mga kasama natin, katropa, banda. And then, just a week after, pumunta naman tayo sa Mindanao. So, doon naman tayo sa Davao. Ayan. O, diba? So, actually, all the events were very unforgettable and very memorable.
Yes.
So, on behalf of the team behind the Alfonso Ali events, we would like to thank all of the Tropang Alfonso na pumunta in those events and syempre yung mga dumating at paparating pa tonight. Sobrang ramdam talaga namin yung support. So maraming salamat. No? And for us, sobrang nakakatuwang makita kayo na nag-e-enjoy kasama ang inyong mga katropa at syempre ang inyong favorite na Alfonso Brandy. Ayan. So sa mga nagtataka, ano nga ba yung mga nilaunch? Ano ba itong bagong artist design? No? Don't worry, we prepared a short video for you. Let's please watch this. Artist Series for 2024.
So enjoy din tayo dito. Kita-kita ko pa lang yung layout natin. Parang okay na okay siya for a really good drinking session. And on top of all that, we've got something even cooler na magsisilbing remembrance sa lahat ng runs natin this year. Sam, can you tell us more about
tama ka
that?
dyan, Alex. So this year, Miss Lauren, we actually have what we call this Alfredo Wall. So this Alfredo Wall, kung saan pwede natin i-express kung ano ba talaga yung meaning pag we talk about being a true tropa.
Yes.
Pero parang gusto kong puntahan natin yung Alfredo Wall na yan.
Let's go. Let's check it out.
Alright.
Lauren, last year we had other bottle designs.
Yes.
And this year, these are brand new, exclusive.
Yes. Sakto pang regalo. So sa mga naghahanap ng may padedix dyan, may padedix portion tayo.
Oo. Pasko na. So pwede nyo isulat dyan yung pangalan na re-regaluhan nyo. Di ba?
Or, pang sa inyo lang, diba? Why
Pwede
not?
rin. Pwede
diba?
rin.
Pwede. So merong portion dito na you can also just write, diba, yung name ng pagbibigyan natin, like what you've mentioned. Ang ganda ng design. Where is it?
Yes.
Ayan! Alright! I see. In fairness. Ayan, showcase natin. Here! Here it is, guys! Oh, diba? Ang ganda!
You know, our ladies look so good holding the bottles, pero parang gusto ko tayo naman magpa-picture.
Pwede
Okay
ba
lang ba?
yun? Pwede ba tayo magpa-picture
Okay.
together with our ladies? Okay, so let's have a quick photo op. Together with the bottles as well.
Mabigat ah.
Alright, medyo mabigat.
Siksik.
Wait lang, kinabahan ako. Okay.
May laman.
Alright. Okay.
Alright, let's take a picture. picture with this lifestyle. Alam mo, itong bottle din na to, umiikot din to sa Luzon,
Parang,
Visayas at
oo nga,
Mindanao.
nakita ko rin sa mga posts ninyo. So let's have a photo as well together with this big bottle. Yes!
Alright!
Amazing!
What a way
Diba?
to commemorate an exciting night, and the night has just begun.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ladies. Ngayon naman, let's see these bottles in our case. You guys are welcome to come here and take photos kasama ng ating mga exclusive designs by DJ Paeste. Just don't steal the bottles.
Grabe naman! So don't steal the bottle. Ba't ko naman takutin?
Ay, projecting pala. Baka ako magnakaw.
Grabe! Kasi sobrang ganda rin naman ng designs, diba? Sobrang ganda.
Yes. Now, speaking of the designs, gusto kong malaman, ano pa bang dapat natin abangan sa Alfonso Brandy?
Yes, di pa tayo nagtatapos, guys. So sa mga gustong dumayo at makiparty with us, please come join our last Alfonso Ali event for the year. That will be November 16 sa Parking Lot Hub sa Angeles, Pampanga. So dayong north
Nice!
naman tayo.
So,
So,
naman tayo
guys,
ng North.
road trip tayo.
Dali na road trip tayo! Oh my
Road
gosh,
trip
that
tayo,
sounds fun.
guys.
That really sounds fun, guys. But anyway, thank you again so much. Miss Lauren, ibang klase talaga, no? If we're talking
Yes,
about
yes.
ang ating inumin na gets ka. So kahit anong feels, di ba, na gusto mo, nandito nga ang Alfonso brand.
Yes, tama yan.
Sobrang
tama
dami
yan.
nating surprises dadala sa atin ni Alfonso Brandy. Kaya dapat mag-ingay din naman tayo online by using ang ating hashtag, and that is hashtag Alfonso Ali Year 2.
Now,